Now we are going to subtract the polynomials vertically. Now what you have to do to subtract the polynomials vertically, you have just to arrange like terms one below the other, same as you have done in addition, and then change the sign. This one is different. That change the sign of each term of bottom expression. Which you have to do, change. The first step is same like addition, that you have to arrange like terms one below the other. After that, you have to change the sign of each term of bottom expression, okay? And after that, you have to add the coefficients. So let's start. We have to subtract the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So we will write the second polynomial first, 9y plus 3x minus 2z. This one is extra. Okay. Now we have to subtract this. So first term is 7x. Oh, sorry, here it is x, 3x. Okay, we have to subtract 7x. The first term will write right below 7x, minus 6y below 9y, plus 3z below 2z. Now, what will it become? Okay, we have written the polynomials, the terms, just like term one below the other. Now, we will change the sign of each term of bottom expression, as it is negative. So, we will change it to positive. This is a positive term, we will change it into a negative term. This one is positive and we will change it into a negative term. Okay, let's start. After that, we have to add the coefficients. Now, this is a positive term. So, positive and positive terms will be added together. 9 plus 6, what it will be? It will 15y, and greater has a 30, and 9 has a positive sign. So, there will be a positive sign. Okay, positive term and a negative term. There is two terms of different nature, so we will subtract them, and it will be 4x. 7 minus 3 will be 4x, and as 7 is greater number and it has a negative sign, so we will put negative sign. Okay, both minus 2z and 2z and 3z have same nature, so we will add them. 2 plus 3 will be 5z, and we'll put a negative sign as 3 is greater and it has a negative sign. Hope you will understand.